Hello, third graders. It is Mrs. Ellison ready to give you an exciting lesson on food chains. We will know we are successful today when you are able to describe how energy flows in a food chain. Students, make sure you have looked over the Lesson 1 vocabulary sheet before watching this video. What is a food chain? A food chain describes the path of food energy from one organism to another in an ecosystem. The community of organisms in an ecosystem may have several different food chains. Producers. To produce means to make. Producers make their own food. Green plants make their own food using the sun's energy. All green plants are considered producers because they make their own food to grow. In this picture, where are the producers and how do you know? Yes, everything you see that is green, like the bushes and the trees and the grasses and the plants, those are all the producers. They make their own food. Then we have our consumers. They are organisms that cannot make their own food and have to eat to get energy. To consume means to eat. The organisms that eat are consumers. Animals are consumers. Humans are consumers too. Look at the pictures. We have geese and tigers and ladybugs and fish. I wonder what all of them eat. They are all consumers. In this picture, where are the consumers? And how do you know? Yes, look at all those sheep. They are the consumers. They are going to eat that green grass. Then we have predators and prey. Consumers that eat other consumers are also called predators. They hunt for food. Animals hunt for food. They're considered predators. But the food that the predators catch and eat is called their prey. Consumers that only eat plants, they're not predators. Well, you may have hunted for a juicy apple at the store. The apple didn't put up much of a fight when you picked it up. In this picture, the lynx cub is a predator because he is hunting that bunny rabbit. The bunny rabbit is the lynx's prey. He is saying, "Please don't eat me, please don't eat me." Which organism is the predator? Which organism is the prey? Yes, the brown bear is the predator. He hunted that salmon in the stream and caught him. The poor salmon, he's the prey. The bear chased him down and grabbed him with his sharp teeth and claws. A nice, tasty meal. This is what food chains are going to look like when we make them. Food chains begin with a producer using the sun's energy to make food. So on the left, you can see the sun. Food chains start with the sun because they help grow the plants. A consumer may eat that producer, and that consumer may be eaten by another consumer, and so on. So take a look at the picture. We start with the sun. The arrow then points to the flower. That's because the flower is getting energy from the sun to make its own food. The flower is a producer. Here comes the bunny rabbit. He's going to want to eat that flower. So when he does that, the arrow points and shows the flower's energy will then go to the bunny rabbit after he has eaten it. Don't forget about our jaguar at the end. He's a predator. He is going to hunt that poor bunny rabbit down, and then he's going to eat him. The energy that the jaguar gets when he eats the bunny rabbit will be part of the food chain. That's why the arrow is showing going from the bunny rabbit to the jaguar. The bunny rabbit will give energy to the jaguar. Thank you, third graders.